What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a very quick unboxing of December's Boxycharm premium box. This is my last box, and since it came in so late and I got sick, I didn't have time to unbox it, but we're here today. So if you guys want to see what's in December's box, my last box with Boxycharm, please stay tuned. Ooh, girl, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's free. Okay, loves, so welcome. I want to give a shout out to all of my bomb ass subscribers that rock with your girl. I swear I love you guys dearly. This is a bonus video, guys, so it's going to be very quick. We're going to be unboxing the Boxycharm premium box for December, and I decided to cancel all boxes from Boxycharm, so we will no longer be having that on my channel unless they send me PR, which I know they won't. They won't because I'm too honest, but oh well. So we're gonna get some specs on this box and get this box unboxed and see if I will regret canceling or nah. This is the premium box. It's now $39.99 every month. You're supposed to get 6 full-size beauty products in this box with a value of, I think, around $215. If that's wrong, I'll correct it down below. We're gonna open it now and see what we got. That's what the inside is looking like. It is very light, very light. We do get a card. The box, the theme for the month is Gift of Glam. And we do get some products as well as descriptions and prices. I'll put that at the bottom, go through it, and I'll give you the variation towards the end. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin'. Boo, take a dance break. Anna, y'all know what it is. All right, so I'm gonna just go in the row of the card, and the first product up is from Bite Beauty. This is the Change Maker Supercharged Micellar Foundation. Here, I did choose shade D170, and I think that this was a choice item, if I'm not mistaken. It retails for $44. It's described as a clean, long-wearing foundation fueled by nourishing antioxidant-rich miqui berry for a lightweight natural finish that feels good on the skin. Retails for $44. I have the shade again, guys. Excuse me, D170. So I'm gonna take it out and swatch it on my chest. All right, and this is how D170 looks right out of that box. And let's just swatch it. It does have a safety seal, but I'll still swatch it. It looks to be a little deep. That's the shade there. I'm gonna put it on my chest and throughout the, oh, well, maybe we can work with it. It's red, though, if you guys can see it. So we'll let that dry down while we're doing the unboxing, and I'll let you guys know if we could really work with it or not. So this is the first product. And my second product comes from Biro, and this is the Fig Renewal Oil. So this is described as a nourishing dry oil that offers complete skin renewal, resulting in silky soft and effortless ageless skin. Girl, unleash your inhibitions with this intense delicacy of a tantalizing fig. All right, so I know Biro is very expensive. This retails for $72, and I did choose this product, so I love their products. Actually, guys, this is the little container here, and you do get how much in here? Girl, I don't know, they don't say it. Oh, 20 milliliters of product in it. I'm gonna sniff it. It doesn't have a seal, but that's what it looks like. All right, I mean, I'm gonna use it. Retails for $72, so I'm happy to see it in this box. Our next product up comes from Stila, and this is the Huge Extreme Lash Mascara right here. Retails for $23, and it is described as Dare to Be Huge. Stila's volumizing, long-wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. Okay, so $23, and we're gonna open it up and see. I haven't tried a mascara from Stila before. That's the packaging right there. And this is, ooh, that's a nice wand. That's the wand right there, and this is $23. Next up, we have from Epion. This is a skin This is Epion Skincare Beverly Hills. It's a flawless serum. It is described as a powerful serum that reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms while providing the skin surface with a protective barrier. Help retain water in this something layer of the skin, making the skin appear plump and radiant. This is a new brand to Boxycharm, and this retails for $195. I've never heard of this brand before, but I mean, I guess if you put the name like Beverly Hills on it, $195 price tag is not that much, right? Love the packaging though. And it comes with the little pump that I'm actually gonna pump some out. I need to see what $195 feel like. And that's the gel on my hand. It feels kind of greasy though. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a flawless serum. It feels really greasy, not like a serum, but like oil. So I don't know about this, guys, but $195. And we have two more products. The next one up is from Elania Bodro. This is a luxury beauty sponge. It's 2 in this pack, and it is described as luxurious sponge applicators that are designed for applying and blending out all types of foundation, concealers, and or powders to offer a flawless finish. This 2-pack latex-free sponges have different colors and shapes for precision and application. These both retail for $34. I'm gonna take them out so you guys can see them. And I could feel what $34 feel like. Okay, so these are the sponges, a black one and a gray one. They feel nice, they're bouncy. 34 bucks, okay. All right, and then last but not least, we have from EVO Beauty. This is the Lip SPO Liner Duo. This retails for $24. It says creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line or fill lips. This 2-piece kit features a velvety formula that glides effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout and a matte finish. These are $24 and you do get 2. The colors are very pretty. I won't open this because I know I have a lot of colors like this, so I'll put this in a future giveaway, but $24, guys. And that was our final product. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received these 2 lip liners here. From Epion, this beauty serum. From Elania Bodro, these 2 sponges. From Biro, this Fig Renewal Oil. From Bite Beauty, this foundation. And from Stila, this mascara. So these 6 products here. So when I add up all of the products in this month's box, the value is $392. And I do have variation C2112230-PM. And let's get some final thoughts in, guys. Okay, so my final thoughts, am I happy that I canceled Boxycharm? I am. I think that this box was okay compared to some that I've gotten in the past. We did receive 3 makeup products, which I do like, and 2 skincare products and a makeup tool. So I thought it was a nice variety of products for December. I'm not really mad at it. Some of the prices, well, y'all guys know it's overinflated, but that's to be expected with Boxycharm and these brands. Will I regret it? No. I'll be looking to see if they have anything that entices me, but for the price increase, it's just not worth it to me because I end up giving away more of the product than I do keeping it. I hope that made sense. I don't know, guys, but I'm not disappointed. The only way I'll get Boxycharm again is if they give me PR, but like I said, I'm too honest for them, so I know they probably won't. But let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I know this is December's box, but I still wanted to share it with you guys since it's the last box on my channel. So don't forget, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, I will have the link down below for you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you kept Boxycharm, if you're okay with the increase, all of that good stuff. I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments and on my next video. All of my social media links are down below, my loves. You guys be blessed and take care. Bye.